Okay, my dear bachas, today it has been many days having an interaction session. So today we have an interaction session in on the old pattern that used to be followed in previous days. So today's topic is television, and each of you will be given 2 minutes time to ask their related questions to the other bachas of the batch.
सर
सर
अगर
पिछली बार
अदर
टाइम
बच्चा
लिमिट
ने ज्यादा टाइम लगा दिया तो?
पहले भी तो किया था,
सर उस टाइम पे टाइम लिमिट नहीं थी ना।
तो दूसरे को उसको टाइम नहीं दे रहा। टाइम लिमिट तो थी उस समय भी।
अच्छा सर, आज सिर्फ एक बच्चे के आंसर देने में?
नहीं, एक बच्चे से नहीं आंसर, आप एक बच्चा नहीं दे रहा है। एक समवन इज नॉट एबल टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस, यू कैन मूव अहेड, आगे बढ़ जाओ।
अरे वही कहते हैं
नहीं, आप
यस
आगे
सर,
बढ़
ओके
जाओ।
सर।
अगर वो जवाब नहीं दे रहा है तो थोड़ा सा टाइम दो उसको, गिव हिम और हर अ लिटिल टाइम, दैट शुड बी इनफ to answer the question. And if that person is not able to answer the question, then move ahead, call the name of someone else
यस सर, समझ
to
में
answer the
आया।
question. Okay,
या
and each of you will be given 3 minutes time. So are you ready? You may put your names in the chat box. That sir, I am ready. That sir, I want to ask this question first, or then next, then third. If you want, you can give your name. Very good. Mr. Harsh, please. Yes, very good. So, Mr. Harsh, you have 3 minutes time to ask your questions on television to different persons, and it is up to you to take the name of that person after asking the question. So, yes, Harsh, start.
Yes, sir. So my first question is, what is the use of a television? So my this question goes to Nisha Didi.
Nisha Didi,
Yes, sir.
she is not here. You can move your
So,
question ahead.
sir, so my this question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. By TV, we can see many types of serials, programs, and we can get knowledge about the world, and we can see news, and elders can listen bhajan. That's it, sir.
Next question, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
You should be ready.
Some yes, sir.
What are you
My
thinking
next
about?
the question.
Yes.
My next question is, what is the most important thing that we can see on television? So my this question goes to Komal Didi.
यस सर।
in the television most important we can see news channels because there are many types of news like world news and Rajasthan news and also many other news, so we can have many types of knowledge by watching news. That's it.
Yes, sir. So my next question is, um, tell about any four things that come on TV. So my this question goes to Nitari.
Nisha,
Sir, I
Sorry, can you repeat question?
tell about any four channels that are available on the TV.
चैनल्स नेम्स बताने या ओनली चैनल्स?
channel's name नहीं बताएगी ना, channel कैसे बोलो? Only channel. What is only channel?
So, there are four channels like
Sony Love, Sony Surf, and Star Plus, Star Surf, and news channels.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So my next question is right. Tell about any one channel on which sports come. So my this question goes to Asif bhaiya.
Yes, sir. There are many channels from where you can get the knowledge of sports, and one of them is Sports 18 Khel, and this is one of the most useful channel in my view.
Time is over. Next turn is of Harshit.
Yes, sir. Uh, so my first question is this: that how is television important for us? And my this question goes to Rakshit. Yes, sir. Television is very important because by the help of television, you can entertain yourself, and you can also get the knowledge of the world and the state, and you can watch many serials, cartoons, and movies, and you can also watch sports. So that's it.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. And my other question is this: that how is television useful for housewives? And my this question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Sorry, I don't know its answer.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, there is no time limit.
Okay, sir. So, sir, what should I do now when you don't know the answer?
You can ask this question to someone else.
Okay, sir. So my this question goes to Lucky Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. We all know that in the television, many new food channels are come with the help of new with the help of food channel. Housewives can make food, and that's it, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. And my next question is this: that can we say television the one of the biggest invention of science? And my this question goes to Rohit.
Yes, sir, we can say that television is the most important and the useful and the most useful invention of science. As television gives us many things like entertainment, energy to energy, sorry, sir, and increases our concentration level, because when you see TV and uh, there is anything which is coming like news, so to understand the news we have to concentrate, and by television our concentration level also develops.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. And my next question is that how can we improve our knowledge in the field of GK with the help of television? And my this question goes to Komal Devi.
Yes, sir. There are many types of channels of GK and newses also. With the help of news channels, also we can improve our GK. And there are also teaching channels, so we can also improve our GK with the help of these channels. That's it.
Okay, sir. And my next question is this: that how is science? Oh, sorry, sir. How is television? How is television useful for the person who works in the field of government job and he belongs to SST subject? And my this question goes to Harsh.
Yes, sir. A TV is useful for a person who is doing government job, as he can gain knowledge about his business and the work that he is doing for government by seeing channels of news on which the news of government is given.
Okay, sir. And my next question is this: that um, can we get entertainment by using television? And my this question goes to Nisha Didi.
Yes, we can get entertainment by using the television because when we have hesitation and some sadness in our life, when we watch the TV and get entertainment and enjoy our life, so this is a different thing for us, the television, because we get not only the entertainment from it, but also knowledge and some other types of feelings which we don't have, and we don't know about them. So we can say that we can get entertainment from the television.
Okay, sir, my turn is.
Whose
Oh,
next turn is it? I think Komal. Take your name from the chat box and start your interaction. Yes.
Yes, sir. How we can say that television is more important than mobile phone? This question goes to Rakshit Bhaiya.
yes, sir. As per my view, as per my view, I can say that television is more important than mobile, because television has a big screen than mobile, so that the rays of television is not more harmful than mobile, and you can see the news or any entertainment videos on TV on a big screen, and you have not give a more, sir, जोर को क्या बोलेंगे?
Stress.
Okay, sir, you do not have to give more stress on your eyes to see the videos, and so by this way I can say that television is more important than mobile.
Yes, sir. How we can say that news channels and teaching channels are also important to our life? This question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Yes. Uh, Teaching channels and knowledge channels are important for us, because by watching these we can improve our knowledge. That's it.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. How we can entertain us with the help of TV? This question goes to Nisha Didi.
Ask की जगह ourselves. हाँ बोलो. Nisha, answer the question.
Yes, sir. We can entertainment ourselves via the what
Entertainment नहीं, entertain.
entertain ourselves by watching the TVs, because some some cartoons and nataks are available on the TVs, and also some comedies videos and movies are also on the TV, so we can watch them, and we can entertain ourselves. So we can say that we can entertainment entertain ourselves by watching TV.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. What is the difference between LED and television? This question goes to Rohit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. As you all know that there are in old time there was LEDs, and LEDs have the old means not have much channels, and
Many
tell.
channels. Much कैसे आएगा? ध्यान दो थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir. Main TV channels, and now and television. The television of nowadays has at least has almost every channel that is present in the world.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. How students and children entertain themselves? This question goes to Lucky.
Yes, sir. We all know that children and students like TV, because with the help of TV they entertain themselves, because they watch many types of serials and cartoon, etc. That's it, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. In the television, what is the role of remote and electricity for the TV? This question goes to Harsh Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. The role of electricity and remote is very important for TV, because without these two things we cannot operate a TV, because electricity is used in starting and running a TV, and remote is used to change the channels and um, doing all the things of the TV. That's it.
Yes, sir. How we can say that in the present time television is useful or not? This question goes to Harshit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. In my view, television is very useful in today's life. As you can see that the new generation needs entertainment and such a type of things that are available in television. And the people who like to learn about their country and what is going on in their country, they need to see news. And for that, they can use television a lot. And because that's it, sir.
Yes, sir. My turn is over.
Okay. Now, whose name is there after Komal? Rakshit.
Yes, sir. So, sir, my first question is how television is useful for a person, and my this question goes to Komal Devi.
Yes, sir. For a person is a person uses TV in the meaning of different types, like he can see many news channels and food channels, and he entertains himself,
Shabash.
and he he can see many types of teaching and news channels also. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir. So, my next question is how television entertains us, and my this question goes to Lucky Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. We all know that television entertain ourselves with the help of songs, cartoons, movie, and cultural program, etc.
Yes, sir. Sir, my next question is can you imagine your life without television? Sir, my this question goes to Harsh.
Yes, sir. In my view, I can say that we can imagine our life without TV because TV is not more useful than the other inventions of science because we can only operate TV by remote and there are only limited things in the TV like we can only see channels we cannot see YouTube we cannot operate Google camera and these facilities are not there in TV so I can think that we can imagine our life without TV.
Yes, sir. And my next question is in your opinion, what is the main feature of a TV? Sir, my this question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Yeah, yes, sir. Remote is a nice feature of TV because with the help of remote, we can operate and we can change channels sitting anywhere. That's it, sir.
Yes, okay, Sushil Bhaiya. And my next question is that what is the main purpose of a TV and what that for what television is made? And my this question goes to Rohit.
Yes, sir. In my way, I think that a television is made for the television is made to get information or to and to make us updated about the world as there are many channels which update us day by day and in TV is made for the use of humans only by which humans can get easily every knowledge by sitting at their home and TV also makes a good so- yes makes a good thing in the family as we can sit with our family and can see many channels by which the goodness the good things of the family get developed.
Yes, sir. Okay, Rohit. And my next question is, my last question is that how television is useful for the youth generation. And my this question goes to Nisha Didi.
we can say that television is useful for youth generation because children and some other person can get knowledge by using by watching the news channels, and there are also some studying channels. By by watching them, they can increase their knowledge, and in the science field and other subjects they can get knowledge about their subject. So and some working person can also increase their knowledge of their work, and it is useful for also girls and women. They can watch many types of videos and can increase their knowledge, so we can say that it is very useful for increasing knowledge.
Yes, sir. My next question is that what is the main and major differences between a mobile and a television? And can we tell that mobile television is more useful and important than mobile? Sir, my this question goes to Arshit.
Yes, sir. There are many major differences between mobile phone and television. Like,
दांत निकाल ले पहले. Like,
पीले पीले रहता है.
इतना खुश कैसे हो रहा है तू?
नहीं सर.
क्या बात है? What is the
सर,
matter?
अरे सर मैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन बोल दिया था ना, इसकी टर्न रह गई थी, मैं इसको देखा ही नहीं.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes.
yes, sir. Like, mobile phone has a small screen, but on the other hand, if you will see television, that it has a big screen by which you can enjoy a lot. But in mobile phone, there are more apps as compared to television. And in television, there are many things that are more useful than mobile phone, which are because the rays that are the rays of television are less than mobile phone, and as you can see nowadays, television is being used a lot because nowadays there are Android televisions by which people are using them a lot and enjoying their life. That's it.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Sir, my turn has completed.
Yes, sir. So my first question is that is TV useful for the students? And this question goes to Harshit Bhaiya.
Sorry, what repeat?
Okay. Is TV useful for the student?
Yes, in my view, television is very important for students. Like, as you can see, many students are taking knowledge with the help of televisions, and many news channels are there by which they can improve their knowledge. And now, as you could see in lockdown, that there were many apps for students by which most of the students were taking knowledge. That's it, sir.
Okay, Harshit Bhaiya. Nice answer. And my next question is that is TV harmful for the student? If yes, how? And this question goes to Harsh Bhaiya. Harsh Bhaiya, are you able to give the answer? Okay, so this question goes to Lucky Bhaiya.
Sushil bhaiya, please repeat the question.
Okay, is TV harmful for the student? If yes, so how?
Yes, sir. We all know that TV is harmful for the student because students watch TV in the long time with the help with this reason
For long time.
for long time. With this reason, uh, students students had sorry sir, student have eyesights and headache, etc. That's it, sir.
Okay, Bhaiya, nice answer. And my next question is that how TV is useful for elders? And this question goes to Harsh Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. A TV is useful for elders as they can see movies for making their mind stress free, and they can see the channels of their business, like a person is doing a work in a government job, then he can see government things, and a person is doing work in sports, then he can see sports channels, etc. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, Harshpriya. Mm, nice answer. And my next question is that mm, as we know that there are many channels on the TV, but tell me four channels who are
Which
best,
are? Which
who
are?
is that which are best and which are useful for us. And this question goes to Rakshit Bhaiya.
Yes, in my view, the four channels can be Star Sports, Star Gold, News 18 India, and Aaj Tak, and the la- the last except that was Sonipal. So that's it.
Hmm.
Yeah, nice answer. And my next question is that how news channels are useful for us. And this question goes to Nisha Didi.
Uh, Many news channels are useful for us because we can get the knowledge of what happened and what is going in our world, countries, cities, and states. And we can get the knowledge of the world and cities, countries. And we can also get the knowledge, sports life, and other celebrities life. So we can say that news channels are very important, and we can get much more and more knowledge from these channels.
Hmm.
Okay, Didi, nice answer. And my next question is that what is use of disk of TV? And this question goes to Komal Didi.
Sushil bhai, please repeat this question.
Okay, what is use of disk of TV? Disk.
Sorry, sir, I can't understand this
The
question.
disc of TV that is at your on your roof of the house. Because of that, you watched all the channels. छतरी नहीं लगी हुई
Oh,
होती है छत के ऊपर.
yes, sir,
Chhatri.
yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Um, with the help of disk, our TV runs, and it connected with the many types of connections.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
Okay.
Okay, Didi, nice answer. And my next question is that what is the use of remote? And this question goes to yeah.
Yes, sir. You know that to operate TV, to operate TV, we used to operate TV, we need remote, and without remote, we can't operate TV.
Hmm.
And if remote will not be there, then there will be only one channel that will always that we will always watch on the TV. And so in my view, I think that remote is the most important thing to control the TV.
Okay, Bhaiya. Nice answer. Sir, my turn is over.
Okay. Whose turn is it? I think it is the turn of Lucky.
Yes, sir. My first question is, what is the role of news channel in the TV? My first question goes to Harshit Bhaiya.
Yes, the role of news channels in TV is a lot. By these channels, you can get the knowledge of the whole world and what is taking place in our society and among our nation, and you can also know about the neighbor countries, that what is happening
Neighboring.
there as the war is going on nowadays. That's it, sir.
Hmm.
how TV is harmful for children and students. My this question goes to Rohit Bhaiya.
Okay. Yes, as you know that children of nowadays are are very technological. Means that by the small age only they know how to operate TV and start watching TV for a long time without the permission of parents. So this is not good for them as their eyesight become weak and this is the age of their study and they are wasting their time in watching TV. That's it.
Yes, sir. My next question uh, is science is TV's biggest invention of science? My this question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Yes, we are. Uh, Kiwi is the biggest invention of the science because with the help of TV we can see we can watch many types of serials and cartoons and news and elders can listen bhajan on the TV and it is good to get entertainment. That's it, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. My next question is what is the equality between TV and LED? My this question goes to Rakshit Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. There are many same things in the LED and TV. Like both have big screens and you can watch the TV by and both are operated by a remote and both gets charged by the help of electricity and both runs by the help of a disk that is on the roofs of the houses and so that's it.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. My next question is how television is important for old people. My next question goes to Komal Didi.
Yes, sir. We all know that there are many channels, and old people also see these channels, but their favorite channel is also bhajan and also dharmic channels. So they watch it. They watch in the TV bhajans and dharmic channels also. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir. My next question is uh, tell me some channels. Sorry, sir. My next question is um, how we operated TV with the remote. My next question goes to Harsh Bhaiya.
We operate we operate a TV by remote and we operate a remote by its button and cells.
Hmm. Yes, Lucky. Next question.
Yes, sir. Uh, what is the name of four important channels? My next question is Nisha Didi.
The names of the important sports channels: Sony Surf, Sony Plus, and Star Surf, and ATV news channels. Ask us. That's it, sir.
Hmm. The same question comes to you next time. Matlab, again.
There are many questions.
We repeated. Okay, no problem. Yes, Lucky. Next question.
Sir, my turn is over.
Okay.
Students and children watch TV the in for the long time. With this reason, uh, students and children have eyesight and headache. Uh, that's it. Sir.
राइटिंग करो लकी कह रहा अभी दूसरे बैच में आ रहे हो तुम ओके कोई बात नहीं यस
Oh,
नेक्स्ट
Yes, sir. My next question is that TV is useful for a person who live his in her life and his life alone, and he don't know about the cities, countries, and world's life. So how can he and she learn about the world's and countries' life? This question goes to Komal.
Yes, sir. We all know that there are many types of channels, and also in the channels there are many countries and cities, and also uh, countries are in the channels, and news in the news is also, uh, in the news channels also news come from the worlds and many types of countries. That's it.
Hmm.
Sir, my turn is complete.
Okay. I think all I've done. So thank you very much. Nice performance. I am very much happy. Very good. Keep it up.